Today we are making this super quick, easy and delicious okonomiyaki. First we will need to combine the flour and baking powder together in a bowl. Then add 1 grated potato, black pepper, vegetable stock, 1 egg and mix it all together. Then cover the batter and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While the batter is resting, combine half a cabbage, 1 shallot, spring onion, garlic, ginger, crispy bacon in a separate bowl and combine it with the batter. Then oil the pan and transfer in half the mixture to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side and easily flip using the plate method. Once it's finished cooking, transfer it onto a plate. Top with tonkatsu sauce and Kewpie mayonnaise. If you like, you can decorate the topping using a fork. Garnish with spring onion and enjoy!